Namaste. So our object is to determine the melting point of an organic compound. First is what is the important of knowing the melting point of organic compound. We should know that the melting point is an important physical property of a compound. The melting point can be used to identify a substance and as an indication of its purity. The melting point of solid is defined as the temperature at which the solid exists in equilibrium with its liquid under an external pressure of 1 atmosphere. A pure crystalline compound usually possesses a sharp melting point and its melting melts completely over a narrow range of temperature or not more than zero point 0.5 to 1 degree Celsius. The presence of even small amount of impurities usually produce a depression in the freezing point and shows a marked increase in width of the melting point range. The melting point range is increased 5 degrees Celsius indicates that the substance is pure for a material whose identity is known. An estimate of degree of purity can be made by comparing its melting point with that of pure sample. Next, what is the factor that affect the melting point? First is size of the molecules. Melting point is also used for the identification and characterization of a compound. If the melting point of pure sample shows a clear difference in melting point, it indicates that the two compounds must have different structural arrangement or they must have different arrangement of atom or configuration. If two material have the same melting point, then they may have the same structure. Consider the isomer and butanol and T-butanol both have the same molecular formula but different in their structure. Next, force of attraction between the molecules. The force of attraction between the molecules affect the melting point of a compound. Stronger intermolecular interaction result in higher melting point. Ionic compound usually have high melting point because the electrostatic force hold the ions. So ion-ion interaction are much stronger. In organic compounds, the presence of polarity or especially hydrogen bonding generally lead to higher melting point. Consider the following samples. So compound is butane and molecular weight is 58.0 and melting point is minus 140 to 134 degrees minus 134 degrees Celsius and intermolecular forces van der Waals forces. Next is methyl propionate, molecular weight is 88.1 and melting point is minus 88 degrees Celsius and intermolecular forces dipole moment. Butyric acid, molecular weight is 88.1, melting point is minus 7.9 degrees Celsius and the intermolecular forces dipole forces. Then butyric acid, its molecular weight is 88.1, melting point is minus 7.9 degrees Celsius and intermolecular force is hydrogen bonding. Next is sodium butanorate. Its molecular weight is 110.09. Its melting point is greater than 250 degrees Celsius. And intermolecular forces is ionic forces. Next is the only force of attraction between butane molecule is weak van der Waals force to attract, so it has very low melting point. But in the case of methyl propionate, because of the presence of polar carbon oxygen group, the molecules are held together by dipole interaction. Therefore, its melting point is greater than that of butane. In the case of butyric acid and the molecules are held together by hydrogen bonding, so it has a high melting point. The melting point of sodium butanoate is higher than that of butyric acid because the attractive force in sodium butanate is strong ionic interaction. Next is melting point of some organic compound is given here. First is phenol, its melting point is 42 degrees Celsius. Second is naphthalene, alpha naphthalene, its melting point is 96 degrees Celsius. Beta naphthalene, its melting point is 123 degrees Celsius. Oxalic acid 101 degrees Celsius. Benzoic acid 122 degrees Celsius. Cinnamic acid 133 degrees Celsius. P-toluidine is 43 degrees Celsius. Then only naphthalene melting point is 80 degrees Celsius. And some other compounds are also given, like alpha naphthalenamine is 50 degrees Celsius. Acetamide is 82 degrees Celsius. Benzamide is 128 degrees Celsius. Urea is 132. Fructose is 103 degrees Celsius and glucose is 146 degrees Celsius. Sucrose melting point is 186 degrees Celsius. Acetanilide is 114.3 degrees Celsius. So here we have completed the topic about the melting point and boiling point. So for any query you can comment below. Thank you.